My name is Marko Milicevic. I cook, I travel, I eat, and my motto is always ask for more.
Today we will make the finest Italian tiramisu. Tiramisu in Italian would be bring me up. So basically tiramisu as a cake, as they say, at least it's made in Italy, in Veneto region, in around 800. And basically the story is that you had this wife which, like, her husband, he was coming late from the work, and he was like, okay, prepare me something that will bring me up with energy and everything. So basically what she did, like, she took a little bit of brandy, a little bit of Italian cheese with name of mascarpone, and she made this cake that's with name tiramisu, and he loved it, and after it spread first all around Veneto, and after it in all Italy and world. And now, like today, we will make the version of tiramisu, which comes more from the southern part of Italy, to be precise, Salerno. And the difference between this kind of tiramisu and the tiramisu that they are making in north is that, like, this tiramisu has a sour cream inside. So with this cream, it's not that like heavy, because mascarpone is very heavy. It has like more than 40% of fat. And yeah, so they are making putting the cream inside, so it's more fresh and more refreshing, let's say. How to make this tiramisu that comes from Salerno? So basically, the first thing that we have to do, and we have to separate the yolk from the egg. After it, we will put a little bit of sugar inside, and then we will put everything in our mixer and mix it out for about 5 minutes. After that, we're gonna put this delicious mascarpone. It's very important for you guys to find the best tiramisu that you can mascarpone that you can find in your shop, because, like, from the quality of the mascarpone, also it brings the quality for tiramisu. So we have this, like, delicious mascarpone, and then we will mix with the mixture of yolk and sugar. We're gonna mix this mascarpone, and then we will put everything back in fridge. Okay. After it, we have to. This is the catch part, let's say, because this is the part that they are doing in the south of Italy, is that we put cream. So cream that has 40% of fat, and also cream which is not sweet. This is really important, because then tiramisu would be too much sweet, let's say. So basically now we're gonna put our cream into the mixer, and then we have to put it there for like 2 minutes, and then it's over. And then one more thing, when you finish with wiping the cream, you will take out from the fridge the mixture that you have with mascarpone and eggs, and put that cream in this mixture, and then you will take spatula, and with spatula you have to go from down to up, down up, like, but easy without not destroying the cream which was wiped. That's the main thing. After it, you can put it also in fridge for 10 or 15 minutes, so it can get the right composure. After it, we have also the recipe for ladyfingers. So basically, you will find the fingers in Italian is for Savoyard. So it's these ladyfingers are made for tiramisu, basically because they can take all the coffee and all the mixtures, let's say, that we'll put inside. We have to make the mixture and then we will gonna put like our ladyfingers into this mixture. So mixture is made with a little bit of sugar, with a remaining of espresso. So also, if you have good espresso coffee, will be a really good thing, because also this mixture will be better. And then at the end we will put a little bit of brandy, because brandy will give the special flavor to that mixture. We will pour the ladyfingers into this mixture, and then we're gonna prepare the tiramisu. And the last step, so we have prepared our ladyfingers, and now we're gonna put our mixture of mascarpone and eggs inside, with all the cream which is also inside. And the last step is to put cocoa powder on our cake. After this, we're gonna lay everything in fridge for 3 hours, and tiramisu is ready to serve.